Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to disable customers from creating accounts during checkout in WooCommerce WordPress. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your checkout process or maintain more control over who gets registered on your site. Let's walk through the simple steps to get this configured. First, open a browser on your computer and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as you'll need administrative privileges to modify these settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu on your WordPress dashboard. Look for the option labeled WooCommerce and click on it. This will expand a drop-down menu showing various WooCommerce-related options. From these expanded options, locate and click on Settings. This section is where all the core configurations for your online store are managed, from payment gateways to shipping zones and customer account preferences. Once you're in the WooCommerce settings page, focus on the top portion of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Among these tabs, you need to click on Accounts and Privacy. This particular tab controls all the settings related to customer accounts, privacy policies, and registration options. It's essential for managing how customers interact with your store from a user account perspective. Now that you're on the Accounts and Privacy page, scroll down until you find the Account Creation section. This area specifically governs when and how customers can create accounts on your site. On the right side of this section, you'll notice an option labeled During Checkout. This toggle controls whether customers have the ability to create an account while they're going through the checkout process. Simply disable this option by clicking on it to turn it off. Disabling this prevents customers from registering during checkout, which can help reduce friction if you prefer guest checkouts or want to limit account creation to specific points in the customer journey. Once you've disabled the During Checkout option, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This button ensures that all the modifications you just made are applied to your store. Give it a moment to process and confirm that your settings have been updated successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the account creation option during checkout in your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.